What's up, Blockheads? Headed to pick up some rotor bolts from this dealership over in West Orlando right now. Figured on the way there, let's record an episode. Man, the weather not looking that nice, but we're going the opposite direction, so hopefully it doesn't keep coming this way. I know it's supposed to stay more south. You guys keep your fingers crossed. We all know how much it sucks riding in rain, especially if you're wearing a flannel. So yeah, this view is probably a little new to you guys. A red and black Dixon flannel, straight lumberjack mode, son. You know what I'm saying? Matches my beard. Anyways, yeah, getting on Turnpike. So hopefully it'll take us away from all this muckiness over here, and we'll see a bit more fair weather over there. I figured on the way I would make a proper thank you video for you guys for helping the channel, for helping me to reach 100,000 subscribers, 100,000 Blockheads. Isn't that crazy to think? Think of how many people 100,000 is. That's a lot of people, man. That's a lot of people. Like, I don't know, I'll try to Google how many people 100,000 people is and show it to you.
Oh my god, you can see they're all zombies. Okay, there's one end. Let's turn. There's the other end, and look at the sea of people. I want to see what this looks like on a map. Okay, here we are. Here we are on a map.
Could the Citrus Bowl or the Amway Center hold 100,000 people? I don't think so. Kind of curious as to how many people the Amway Center could hold, which, if you guys don't know, downtown Orlando, ooh, you can see it right there. Downtown Orlando, yeah, you've got the Amway Center, which is basically the new, you know, stadium for Orlando, the Orlando Magic, but it's super nice. So yeah, I'm kind of curious as to how many people would fit in there versus Blockhead subscribers. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty wild, man. 100,000 of y'all out there. Actually, as of me recording this, I think the last I saw was right about 108,000. Pretty incredible. Like I said, thank you guys. That has made there be so much opportunity, man. You wouldn't even believe. Like right now, just as an example of the opportunities that come along with you guys hitting the subscribe button. So, I'm giving away a Grom. Not sure if you guys know, but if you don't, check out the link in the description. Basically, you've got this YouTube Blockhead community, and then you've got a community that's supporting the channel and helping the channel to grow through Patreon. And I basically choose to give back to that community for going beyond the subscribe button, right? With this build, with this Grom build, you know, the bike that I'm giving away, I went to this paint shop, and I was talking to the owner, Omar, and I was telling him kind of about, you know, what I'm doing, about the build. I was telling him about the channel, you know, etc., etc. So, like, no questions asked. You know, I told him, this is the channel, this is what I'm doing, you know, I'm giving this bike away, this is how many subscribers, you know, like, I'm interested in working with you. And dude, just like with that amount of subscribers, you don't have to like fight as much. Like, whenever I first started approaching businesses back in the day, I made it a goal whenever I hit 10,000 subscribers that I would start approaching businesses and talking to them about, you know, making videos, possible partnerships and all that. And I was at 10,000 subscribers, which to me, I remember then, I was like, yeah, 10,000 subscribers, man, like that holds some weight. You know, we're in 5 digits there. I mean, that's a pretty good goal on YouTube, 10,000 subs. I gotta get gas. Gotta get some dead dinos. So I remember at 10,000 subs, you know, I made this like rap sheet basically saying like, this is the channel, this is the growth, these are the numbers, these are the top performing videos. It was basically like a resume for the channel, and I would approach and talk to businesses with it, right? Very professional. And a couple businesses would look at that and they would be like, okay, cool, yeah, you know, maybe there's something we could do. We could offer you a discount, whatever. But dude, it's like, because of you guys all hitting that subscribe button, and because of there being power in numbers. Like as soon as I drop and say like, yeah, the channel has this many subscribers and you know this is our reach and this is a demographic, they're like, cool, well, what do you want to do? Let's work together. So it's so much opportunity, guys. That's what I constantly thank you all, and I constantly say thank you for the opportunities you've given me. And that's what I'm talking about. Those are the opportunities, because I don't have to fight as hard anymore in order to get my foot in the door. You know, these companies, these businesses, they're more willing to work with me, obviously because it's good for them. But that, I mean, that makes it easier on me, and that makes it better for you guys because you're getting content. I'm not having to fight near as damn hard. I thought it 93 dead dinosaurs. Nope. 93 dead dinosaurs. Got a special surprise coming for you guys regarding that too. You better change range. There we go, 167. Where was I? 93 dead dinos, opportunity, working with businesses. Oh yeah, so basically, you know, you guys hitting that subscribe button, us having that power in numbers. You know, nope, you're not getting me this time, thing. Yeah, us having that power in numbers because of y'all, it makes it easier on me to like be able to have partnerships and work with businesses, thus continuing to feed into the channel and give you guys content. So you know, it's a full circle, comes around full circle. Over the years, and this channel is like 2 years old, like just over 2 years old, which is pretty crazy to think that we've only been doing this for 2 years and you know, we are where we are. Pretty wild. But I mean, I've learned an absolute ton over that time period about a lot of things, about, you know, how to run the channel, how to approach businesses, a ton about bikes, just seriously an absolute ton about motorcycles. I've learned how to edit better, you know, I mean, if we take a look at my first video that I ever uploaded, it's like you know, our friend Anna, she referred to it as like a stop motion film. Back to my original thought on moto vlogging. I always thought it was, I don't know, interesting to basically watch these videos. You know, it's like listening to like a regular vlog, obviously just like on a motorcycle and seeing these people ride. But in a sense, it's like therapeutic almost, and then it's also kind of weird because when you think about it, you're riding on the road and you're just like, you're talking to yourself. Now the long gaps I still trim out, but you know, I've got this little editing trick that you actually can't see, you know, any cuts in the frames versus the cuts in the audio. And it's something that I picked up along the way, and it's just one of those little things that makes the vlog and that makes the videos like a little bit more quality. But it's funny, starting up the moto vlog was something that I was just doing, messing around, and for the most part it is still something that I'm doing messing around. However, it has gotten serious in some aspects, in which case I'm conducting it more like a business, right? Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the beast. State poopers. Should probably fall in line. But yeah, like, I mean, I always strive to be better and better. And I mean, even as of me recording this video, you know, I've got like some big plans still that I think you guys are going to really enjoy. You know, I'm working on supplying you guys with some more things. We're coming out with designs for more stuff. And it's just, it's continuing to grow. You know, I've got no intention and no plans to slow this thing down. We've got a lot of momentum and I want to keep that going. And in order to keep that going, you know, it's up to you guys. It's up to you guys interacting and you guys commenting and hitting the subscribe button and hitting the share button. And, you know, I think that's a big thing that I need to focus on is, you know, if you guys like the content and you guys have friends out there or know of people that might also enjoy motorcycle content, is hitting the share button, because that alone causes the channel to grow so much. But I always forget to say it. I always forget to ask. And I know there's plenty of you guys out there that would, you know, gladly, and I know there's plenty of y'all that do, that have. You know, I get videos of being tagged in people's stories on Instagram all the time, you know, sharing with all of their friends that they're watching an episode, you know, so that'll basically go to like all of their friends, but then when they tag me, it sends it to me as well. And man, that's awesome. And like people watching episodes with their kids. And another thing I've learned is to keep it clean, you know, like to watch my mouth. When riding with friends, it's a little more difficult, you know, especially with them cussing a bit more. I had to, one of the recent episodes of Raj, I had to censor out a lot of it. Man, I didn't realize Raj cusses as much as he does, but come on, Raj. But I'm not going to ask them to change, you know. Now, Miss Blockhead, yeah, she cusses quite a bit, but she's gotten a lot better about it as well. Now, she is one person that I have asked, it's like, you know, hey, kind of try and keep an eye on it. And she has as well, because we've met subscribers, like, dude, there's subscribers that are freaking like 10 years old. So to all you subscribers out there that are, you know, young, can't even ride a motorcycle yet, but you watch the channel, you enjoy the content, what's up, guys? Big shout out to y'all. Whenever we ended up meeting, you know, one of those young subscribers, I think his name was Landon, she was like, oh man, I gotta watch my mouth. That's the exact same thing I said whenever I like realized, oh, there's really young kids watching the channel. But it's been so rewarding. I mean, in the tribute video that I made, I was talking about, it's all about the community, and it really is, man. That's the most rewarding thing about this whole experience, is the community that's grown around this. And I say thank you guys all the time, and I will continue to say thank you guys as it continues to grow. The community is basically, you guys are what basically give me the opportunities. Y'all are what, you know, fuel this whole thing. And if it wasn't there, I'd probably still be doing it anyways. But it is a perk, and I do appreciate, you know, you guys being along for the ride. Who would have thought messing around with the GoPro on a motorcycle helmet would lead to what it has? But it's just awesome. It is so cool that it has. Anyways, I am almost at my destination, so I am going to go ahead and sign off. I do have an idea for an episode on the way back. Am I gonna make it? Nope. Oh yeah, and I was gonna say, also in my tribute video, I talked about family and finding a family throughout this whole experience as well. You know, the Blockhead crew, you know, some people that I know I could rely on and that would be there for me through thick and thin, you know. So big shout out to the Blockhead crew as well. But let's go pick up some rotor bolts, shall we? Slaughtered. Anyways, thank you guys once again. Greatly appreciate the continued support. If you guys enjoyed the episode, hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon while you're over there so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. If you guys enjoy the content, you guys have friends out there that might also enjoy motorcycle content, be sure to hit that share button also. Oh, what's up, love bug? Is that a good omen? I hope that's a good omen. Yeah, be sure to hit that share button, and until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and I'll catch y'all later. Alright, deuces.